Yeah, so I did some sandblasting and some painting because those parts were kind of rough. And we're ready to put it back in here, new bushing. They're all just a Moog. I didn't go crazy. Nice part, but not like the polyurethane or whatever. So you gotta set something up. It's all about fitting. So I got this piece of exhaust tubing in here, and it's all set up backing it, and it's keeping things pretty straight and level so that the unit presses in pretty easy. And this is going to be a lot easier than pressing the other ones out with how rusty everything was. So I'm going to stand off to the side and jack it in. And it's going. Okay, it's seated. And I've got this ready to go back in. I got my new bushing right there, and I have the control arm backed up with a piece of exhaust tubing. And as you can see, it's got good coverage all the way through. You know, it's supporting the whole thing. That's what you want, so that it doesn't tip out on you and you know, crush something the wrong way. And keeping everything nice and straight. And that's just the key with using a press. You could do this in the vise too, because it's not as hard as popping them out. And if you don't have a press like this, there's ways to cut and press out or punch out with like a hammer. But really, the press is the way to go. You know, just get something from Harbor Freight. Real simple tool, but it does wonders. So let's press this guy in. Standing back, watching it, seeing how it goes. This one's real smooth. I'm getting closer to where it's going to seat, and it's going to be pretty obvious when it does. Yep, it gets a little harder. Don't want to deform anything. And that's it. Got that pressed in.